everyone. I am Ashka from Mauritius. Since last August 2024, my mother was not feeling well. Then we went to see a cardiologist in Mauritius. She was feeling suffocated. She was getting palpitation and was feeling really hot when it was winter in Mauritius. So we decided to bring her to a cardiologist in Mauritius, where the doctor said that she has an aorta valve problem, and since then she began to take medication and everything to be stable. And then in January 2025, on 28 January 2025, she did angiography, where the doctor had noticed that she has to do an operation, an aorta valve replacement. So in Mauritius, all heart surgeries, they do open heart surgeries, and we went to see other patient who has done open heart surgery. We got their feedback, and the feedback was not that good. And my mom, when you do an open heart surgery, the scare is always there. And some of the patient in Mauritius says that they get pain where it is cut. So my mom did not want to do this. So then we paused for the doctor if we can go to India to do this. Then with the help of Hospicio, Zunik is a friend of my brother-in-law who is in Mauritius itself. Then we got all the quotation. Gunis helped us to get all the quotation. We got the three different hospital. It was Dr. Manipal Hospital. It was Fortis Hospital and also one hospital. So according to our budget, Manipal Hospital was a good hospital for us, and also Dr. Mishra. I want to do some research for Dr. Mishra, the reviews, everything, and so that Dr. Mishra is a good doctor. And then we did all the necessities to come in India here. Gunik and Ashutosh had always been here, support us, and everything. They're a very good team, doing a really good job. And we met Dr. Mishra. We met Dr. Mishra on the first day of appointment. He explained to us everything, and even after mom's surgery, after the surgery, he called us in his appointment room, and he talked to us about the kind of surgery he did. Everything, every purpose test, everything was good. And even when mom was in the ICU, she got the best treatment here. Even the medicines that she didn't feel pain. If she would have been in Mauritius, I'm sure she would get pain in Mauritius. But here you can see yourself. She's perfectly fine. She's okay. And today it is a night day. Since she has been operated, and she's okay. She's okay. She's being able to eat all the solid food. She's taking her medicine in on time, and everything is good here. And I must say that all the nurses, all the staff here are very caring, very helpful. It was worth it. All the efforts I have done to bring my mom here, everything was worth it, and I'm very much satisfied with this. Thank you.